My coworker convinced me into getting this camera. I should have did some research before I got it. This thing is terrible. I'm not going to do a long video because you'll be wasting your money, but I'm actually put the link below so you can purchase one and just see. But this is straight out the package right here. This is what come in the package. The screen and everything was scratched up. It was just terrible. You know, I can't believe I wasted money on this, but like I said, I'll do my research first. I'm gonna just show you what this thing is doing. I actually threw it away here. I haven't had it a day, and I threw it in the trash. The instructions, you might as well throw the instructions away. It's totally different instructions. You see that screen, it was scratched up. It didn't have no plastic cover over it to protect the screen. And this is from China. Maybe China is retaliating against the U.S.
Now between Beijing and Washington, which have just reached a new peak. China ordering the closure of the U.S. consulate in Chengdu. This is a reciprocal measure just days after the Trump administration ordered the Chinese consulate in Houston, Texas to shut down. U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo says China has taken advantage of the U.S. for far too long. It's time for the relationship to change.
I don't know, but this device is terrible. It feels like a piece of paper. It's very light. You can tell it's trash. But when I turn the camera on, you see it just starts blinking. Whenever too much sunlight is outside, it just continues to blink. And it doesn't take the SDI card. If it's over 32 gigabytes, it would not work. It just blinks recording. This thing is terrible. I'm not gonna even waste my time on doing a video. So if you want one, just look in the description below. It doesn't come with a SIMS card, and it's terrible. Simple as that. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.